to share with you my step-by-step strategy I follow to manifest over 500k followers on social media in less than a year, and how you can do it too. Watch until the end and you'll find out what I use to gain over 20 million views on TikTok per video. In 2020, when the pandemic hit, like many of us, I was feeling very confused and lost. I had been working as a creator non-stop for the last few years, and when everything shut down, I felt that my creativity was coming to an end. I started hearing about TikTok from my friends and how fun it was to consume their viral videos, and that's when I decided to give it a try. A few months later on the app, I hit 500,000 followers and got huge brand deals with the NFL, Macy's, among others. Subscribe for more videos like this and let me know in the comments your TikTok handle because I would love to see your videos. Before beginning to make any videos, I set the intention of the type of audience I wanted to build and the value I wanted to give them. There were going to be inspirational videos from my travels that were going to inspire the viewer to love themselves unconditionally no matter what they were going through. Then I started to consume this type of content that I wanted to create, and I started to see which was the type of content that was getting the most engagement, the most views, the most comments, the most shares, because this is what the algorithm is telling people, that this is the type of content that people are wanting to see. Once I had an idea of the type of content that was performing the best on TikTok, I started creating the videos. And the way that I did it was I started uploading every single day for 3 months straight. I didn't miss a day. I was very dedicated, and I wanted to see this way what was the type of content that was going to perform better for my audience. That's why you want to have your ideal viewer and the type of content that you want to create for them. Once you understand the algorithm and what's actually being shared and viewed and commented on, you want to create similar type of content that is engaging the viewer, so it's going to push your video to the similar audience that you are wanting to build. I know this might seem like a lot of work, but this is the time for you to build an online audience. It has never been easier, and I really wanted to take advantage of the opportunity because there was a lot of people downloading TikTok, especially back then when there was the pandemic. So there was a huge demand on this app. And this is the type of opportunity that you want to take advantage, because then over the years, when the time is gone, you miss the opportunity. It is also very important for you to create videos that you are actually passionate about, that you love, things that you are excited to share with people. I love traveling, I love self-love, self-care. So this is the type of video that I wanted to create to make an impact to my new audience. I have built audiences before on Instagram, Pinterest, but this was new. This was a new app that was supposed to be entertaining but fun. So I wanted to take the challenge as an opportunity for me to grow as a creator, and I think you should do it too. So after 3 months, I had uploaded up to 90 videos, and the way that I did it was a lot of consistency. Sometimes I would just film 30 videos per day, which was insane, I know, but we were in a lockdown, so I didn't have anything else to do. And that's why I recommend doing this stuff, because once you start learning the algorithm, then you are creating the momentum. You are creative. You are not afraid to fail, because this is huge. You don't want to be afraid to fail. You want to fail because this is the only way that you can be successful at something. And that's the way that I pursue everything in my life like that. That's how I have pushed so much content over the years, because I know what resonates with my audience. I know what it doesn't. Sometimes I want to create content that I love, but I know it's not going to resonate with the audience the way that I want. So that's why I go ahead and I create a new audience for the new type of content that I want to create. And that's why I love being a creator, because it gives you so much leverage, gives you so much freedom to create whatever you want to create for any type of audience that you want to build. So after I had up to 90 videos in 3 months, I had a better understanding of the type of content that was resonated with my audience, and my ideal viewer was there. It was people that were looking for inspirational videos, self-love, self-care videos that were very particular for that time when we were going through something that we didn't know what was going to happen, but people were wanting to have more inspirational stuff, motivational stuff in their lives. So I basically took the opportunity and created something out of nothing, which is mainly what we create online. We want to create something and build something that we cannot build in real life because we want to be able to connect with the rest of the world, not just the city where we live in. After you had the 90 videos, the way that I did it was like I went back to the analytics where you can see them on any platform. You can go to the analytics and then you will see what type of content is the one that is getting the most comments, the most views, the most shares. Especially shares are very important. You want to make sure that your content is being shared by the people that are interested in the type of video. This was huge because this information, it's personal. This is about your personal brand, the brand that you want to build. So you are the one that has the power to go ahead, study the analytics, and go back and create the same type of video that you have created and it has performed the best. Once you start creating and recreating and just focus on the type of video that are really resonating with your audience, that's when the momentum is going to happen. And that's what happened to my account. Once I had my top performing videos, I decided to only focus on recreating the same type of video and stick to only one niche, so I could accelerate my growth. I stayed committed to post this type of videos for the next year, and my growth multiplied quickly, and my top performing videos gave me up to 20 million views per content, which is insane. If you want me to create a video on how to make content viral on social media, please let me know in the comments below. I will be happy to share with you more of my tips and tricks. If you're looking to grow an online audience, I highly recommend following these simple steps. It's pretty easy. You just have to have fun when you're creating the content that you love, and I promise it will be worth it. Now more than ever, it's so easy to build an online audience, and you can eventually monetize this audience with brand deals and different type of things that you can create as an online digital creator. You just have to stay consistent, know your niche, stay motivated, stay inspired in creating videos, collaborate with people that are into your same niche. I promise it is going to be so much fun and you're not going to regret it. Let me know in the comments below if you're using TikTok, or let me know which is your favorite platform these days. I would love to hear from you. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you next time.